Assalamu alaikum students. This is lecture number 6 of class 10 and subject is English and the topic is paraphrase and glossary of the poem. Title of the poem is Dreams, composed by Langston Hughes. So let's start our class. First of all, we will discuss what is meant by the paraphrase. We can say that in paraphrase we change the poetic language into simple prose by using own words. And here in paraphrase, we don't judge or evaluate the poet's hidden message or theme or point of view, whether he wrote anything sensible or not, whether that belongs to real life or not. We have nothing to do with that. Okay. And another important thing, while writing paraphrase of any poem, there is no need to write name of the poet or poem at the start of your answer. Got it? Now let's start reading the poem. Title is Dreams, composed by Langston Hughes. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. So now we start paraphrasing the first stanza. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. When we paraphrase it, we don't need to write name of the poet or poem. We just start paraphrase. The paraphrase of this stanza is, hold on to dreams and do not let the dreams die. If the dreams die, life will become like a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Life is purposeless without dreams. यहाँ पे जस्ट सिंपल ये बताया गया है कि ख्वाबों को मजबूती से थामे रखो, उनको मरने ना दो, क्योंकि अगर ख्वाब मर गए तो ये पर कटे परिंदे की तरह हो जाएंगी जो कि उड़ नहीं सकता, और ज़िंदगी जो है वो ख्वाबों के बिना बेमकसद है. ठीक है. सेकंड स्टैंजा. होल्ड फास्ट टू ड्रीम्स, फॉर व्हेन ड्रीम्स गो, लाइफ इज़ अ barren field frozen with snow. So the paraphrase of this stanza is, hold on to dreams, for if we let our dreams go, life will not just be barren land, but will be frozen and covered with snow. मतलब ख्वाबों को मजबूती से थामे रखो, क्योंकि अगर हम ख्वाबों को जाने दें तो ज़िंदगी ना सिर्फ एक बंजर ज़मीन की तरह होगी, बल्कि मुंजमद और बर्फ़ से ढकी हुई ज़मीन होगी. ठीक है. गॉट इट. Now let's move towards the glossary of the poem. First is hold fast. Hold fast means hold something tightly, यानी मजबूती से किसी चीज़ को पकड़ना. Next, barren, a land too poor or unable to produce plants, यानी ऐसी ज़मीन जो कि इतनी वो बंजर हो कि वो उसमें कोई भी पौधे वगैरह ना उगाए जा सकें. नेक्स्ट, फील्ड, एरिया ऑफ लैंड प्लांटेड विद क्रॉप्स, यानी ऐसे खेत जहाँ फसल वगैरह लगाई गई हो. नेक्स्ट, फ्रोजन, टर्न्ड इनटू आइस ड्यू टू एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड, सख्त सर्दी की वजह से बर्फ़ में तब्दील हो चुकी हो जो चीज़. फ्रोजन, मुंजमद. ठीक है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू most important thing, avoid spelling mistakes whenever you write anything, because a small mistake in paper cuts your number in half. So from now on you have to memorize the spellings well. I hope you understand everything. Till your next class. Allah Hafiz.